briefly.
So my name is Muhammad Musin. I am coming from a town Tirur in Malappuram district, Kerala. I have done my primary education in Fatimada Higher Secondary School, which is a well-known school in Tirur town, and I have done my senior secondary education in Maunatul Islam Arabic College, Ponnani. Currently, I am a degree scholar in Shamsuddin Islamic Academy in the Department of Civilizational Studies, and as usual, our agenda, I am interested in field exploring, social working, and I consider the art as my personal passionate, and through this background skill, I believe that I can design the public policies, which is not only a necessary but also a community resonant and also an influential for peoples. And I believe that through these skills I can work in social sectors and design with my creative thinking them very well. Thank you.
So you are a designer basically, or artist. How do you think that those two skills or that skill set will help you as a civil servant?
In my further steps in my future, my daily routine is in my primary sectors of my social works. I used to work both in working sectors and creative sectors of a project. For example, such like our arts fest in campus sectors and our in my hometown in madrasa sectors, I usually work in both working sectors, volunteering sectors, and also in the behind of creative thinking and creative idea delivering sectors. So I used to manage both these sectors as a common pathway in my working routine, and with my this ability I believe that I can aim in my future such like sectors in both regarding both abilities. Thank you.
So imagine you are appointed as a district collector in Jharkhand, for example. How will you use your artistic skill sets there?
As when I got assigned as a district culture in Jharkhand, such a what kind a draw such kind of a dry district, I have to develop more and more creative projects, which means I have to aware the peoples which has the dry minds or dry ideas. I have to vet them firstly, and I have to introduce them about the creative aspects and how to encourage these projects and how to bring the results of these projects into the limelight. And basically through these steps I have to aware the people firstly, then I have to introduce the volunteer sector in behind of the working sectors and volunteering sectors, and bring the people to these volunteering sectors.
So in your CV you have mentioned that your aim or your target is three, like IAS, IPS or INS. So are you preferring one of these three, or are you okay with the any one of these things you get?
As you sir last mentioned, I don't prefer in any one, but in these all are my interesting areas, and in the behind of my passion of social working, I choose civil service and these sectors in my personal career.
But so you have also selected Indian Naval Service. Why naval?
In my personal opinion, there are some of influenced people in my childhood friendship that who are currently working in Navy services, and according to their lifetime and their stories, I had a little passionate in Navy services. That's all. Yes, sir.
There is three options for you, or IAS, IPS, INS. If you are selected for another one, what will be your attitude?
It doesn't matter in my career. I will do whatever I can in these sectors, and I have to try my best for these dream projects. But if I got any of that, I will do my best in that sector, what I can do for public service in my ability, and what I can do, I will do my best. That's all, sir.
Okay. From a civilizational department to Indian police service, what about the your priorities to do the.
As we all know, as a police officer, he should understand about his own community and the minuses of that communities, and he should be consider that minuses and to prevent them from these kinds of negatives. And as a scholar from this civilization department, we can simply understand about the minuses and the negative aspects of a neglected community, and we can definitely work and encourage them. And through to the and a police officer career, we can simply identify the negative points and we can encourage them. And that's what a real police officer wants to do.
Okay, great, Mr. Musin. As you mentioned in your CV, you are a winner of Mr. Shakespeare Award from your campus alumni in literature. Okay, please speak about Mr. Shakespeare and his contribution to the literature.
About the historical background of Shakespeare, I have to read a lot, but the award was won in a literature festival that led by our alumni association in Mount Islam, and I had published a poem, and also the total mark of English language in public exam also was considered, and the title is just named Shakespeare Award, that's all.
Okay, name any of his contributions or books.
Yeah,
works.
one of my favorite tragedy that have that's what was the name, I don't remember properly.
Okay, Mr.
A merchant in
Okay,
I didn't remember properly, sir.
no problem. From Malappuram district, a minority district from Kerala, what about your observation to divide the district as two? Is Malappuram being, is there is any need to divide Malappuram as two districts?
I don't think so, because we can see the current situation of Malappuram district in literacy base or in any kind of background. It's getting more developing by any kind of backgrounds, even if it's in politics or even if it's in literature. Our Malappuram districts are signing their own contributions rather than other districts, and there are several kinds of examples and well-known moments that we can see as usually in our newses, and I don't think that the old situation is currently following. There are lots of change had already occurred in our district, and I am very thankful.
Okay, your conclusion is there is no need to divide Malappuram as a two district.
My personal opinion, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Musin.
Thank you, sir.